Lost my account. But you know, that's trading. You have to fall a few times before you learn how to stand back up. But the important thing is not that the account is gone. The important thing is understanding why it happened. So today, I want to review my trades from this week and find out what mistakes caused me to lose the account. And tomorrow, I'll explain the changes I made for my new account and show you my updated trading plan. Let's start with the GBP USD chart. Here, I took a buy trade. Why? Because the overall trend was bullish, and price was reacting from an important level. And the interesting part is that my initial analysis was correct. But the problem started when the market moved slightly against me. Instead of following my plan, I got affected by the short-term movement. I closed my buy trade and changed my idea to a sell. But if you look closely, my original stop loss would not even have been hit. The biggest mistake here was not the analysis. It was the emotional decision. On your USD, almost the same thing happened. One of my trades reached TP1, and it recovered part of the previous loss. But then I repeated the same mistake. I took a buy position, but when the market moved slightly lower, I started doubting my analysis and entered a sell. This time, my stop loss was hit. And after this trade, I lost the account. But what was the real problem? The first and biggest problem: losing hope of recovering the account. When I stopped believing that I could recover the account, I stopped focusing on executing my plan. I was no longer trading my strategy. I was just trying to get my losses back as quickly as possible. And that is exactly when a trader starts losing control. The second problem: breaking my own rules. I had clear rules in my plan, but when emotions took over, I ignored them. The third problem: incorrect risk management. Even though I was trading on the 15-minute time frame, I was calculating my risk based on the 1-hour time frame. The problem with that is the 15-minute time frame creates more opportunities and more trades. So if you use the same risk as a higher time frame, your losses can build up much faster. And more importantly, emotions can enter your decisions much sooner. The new account I get will come with new changes. My risk management will be adjusted. My entry rules will become more precise. And I'll show my full written trading plan in the next video. This journey is not always about winning. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you make mistakes. But what matters is learning from them and becoming better. If you want to follow this real journey from starting over to my first payout, subscribe to the channel.